Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your SST class, my dear. As you know that your examination is going to be start and we had started revision also. So today we will revise a new chapter. Chapter number 18. Everyone take out chapter number 18. People who enriched our culture. Once we had read this chapter, today again we will read some important points about this chapter. And after that, we will discuss some revision sheet. Let us start. I am going to explain you today again about religious leaders, social reformers, and then after we will discuss about revision sheet. As you know that many religious teachers, many religious leaders, social reformers, rulers, scientists, they have worked, they have contributed a lot for the welfare of our society or for to enrich the culture of India. They all have worked a lot. We need to know about them, that what they had done for our country. So let us start with the religious leaders. There are many religions in India. People of different religions are living over here, as India is a secular country. We had read. So the main religion in India are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Zoroastrianism. These are the main religion of our country. One by one, we will read about all these religions. And to spread all these religions, many religious teachers had taken birth and they spreaded their views, they spreaded love and unity among the people. So, let us start with Hinduism. Hinduism is considered as the oldest religion of the world. And do you know, Hindu worship God in three main forms. First, Brahma, second, Vishnu, and third, Shiv. They think that Brahma is the creator of this world, Vishnu is known as preserver, and Shiv as destroyer. Here you can see in this picture, the first picture belongs to Lord Brahma, second one is of Lord Vishnu, this one, and the third one is belonging to Lord Shiva. So according to Hindu mythology, God is in three main forms. Brahma as a creator, Vishnu as preserver, and Shiv as destroyer. There are many religious books that belongs to Hindu, that are Vedas, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Puran, Ramayana. Many religious books are there. But among all these books, Bhagavad Gita, this one, Bhagavad Gita is considered as the holiest book. So what is the holiest book of Hindu religion? The answer will be Bhagavad Gita. Time to time, many religious leaders took birth and they spreaded love and unity among the people. Among them, this is the picture of Adi Shankaracharya, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Ram Krishna Paramhans, Sant Tukaram, and this is the picture of Swami Vivekananda. These all are the Hindu religious teachers. These all were the Hindu religious teachers. The next religion in our country is Islam. The followers of Islam are known as Muslims. Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad. He was born in Makkah. That's why Makkah is the holiest place for the Muslims. Quran is the holy book of this religion, and Muslims used to worship at mosque. Prophet Muhammad preached love, peace, and brotherhood among the people. Next religion is Christianity. Christianity was founded by Jesus Christ. He was born in Bethlehem. The holy book of Christians is Bible, and this is the holy sign. This cross sign is the holy sign of Christians. They used to worship in church, and Jesus Christ teaches the people that all the people are brothers, as they all are the children of a single God, the same God. Next religion, which is very popular in our country, is Sikhism. Excuse me. Sikhism was founded by Guru Nanak Dev. He was born in Talwandi in Pakistan. Talwandi is a place in Pakistan. He took birth there. Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the holy book of the people of Sikh religion. The 10th Guru of Sikh, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, he founded Khalsa Panth. Guru Gobind Singh founded the Khalsa Panth. And Guru Gobind Singh, do you know Guru Gobind Singh belongs to Patna Sahib. Okay. Next, Jainism. Jainism is believed to have been started by Rishabhs, the first Tirthankar or the spiritual leader. It is not confirmed that who has started this religion, but it is believed that it was started by Rishabhs, who was the first Tirthankar or spiritual leader. But this religion was spreaded by Lord Mahavir, the 24th Tirthankar of Jain religion. This religion was spreaded by him. Next religion is Buddhism. Buddhism was founded by Gautam Buddha. He attained the Nirvana under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya in Bihar. That's why the Bodh Gaya of Bihar is very holy place for the follower of Buddha religion. Okay, people who belongs to Buddha community visit Bodh Gaya. They used to come from different countries, and they used to stay over there. That place is the holy place for Buddhists. Tripitaka and Dhampada, these are the holy books of Buddhism. Next religion is Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism was founded by Zoroaster or Zarathustra. The follower of Zoroastrianism are called Parsis. Okay, the people who follow this religion are known as Parsis. Parsis used to worship at fire temple. Okay, they go to fire temple for worship. Zoroaster taught people to be good and fight against evil. The holy book of Zoroastrianism is Zend Avesta, and the important festival celebrated by the people of this religion is Nowruz, which is considered as the Iranian New Year. Now let us discuss some questions related to these topics which we have read right now. First question, I know you all are able to give the answer of these questions. Answer is written downside only. But first let me show you. Where do Parsis worship? Can you give the answer? Where do Parsis worship? Right now I have explained you that Parsis worship at fire temple. So what answer you will write? You will write here fire temple. Let me write there. Parsis worship at fire temple. Okay. Parsis worship at fire temple. Next question is, where did Gautam Buddha attain the Nirvana? Gautam Buddha attained the Nirvana under Bodhi tree. What you will write the answer? Under Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. Okay, where Bodhi tree is there? In Bodh Gaya of Bihar. Now let's move to our next question. Who was the founder of Zoroastrianism? Founder of Zoroastrianism was Zoroaster. Zoroaster or Zarathustra. Zarathustra. Okay, Zarathustra. Now next question. Who fought against the Sati system and Parda system? This question is related to this chapter only. Today we had not discussed, but I know you all are able to give the answer as you have read this chapter earlier also. Who fought against Sati system and Parda system? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was a social reformer. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. And next question, question number 5 is, who founded Khalsa Panth? So Khalsa Panth was founded by Guru Gobind Singh. Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Okay. Who was the 10th Guru of Sikh religion, and he founded Khalsa Panth. So these are the answers. In this way you will revise the chapter and you will learn the question answer. In next class we will discuss about social reformers, scientists and great rulers. Okay, till then, bye bye.